So welcome to my new vlog. Right now I'm with my uncle and we are going to Long Island, and it's going to be a wonderful trip.
Yeah, every day.
So we are heading towards Zone Beach. Hello uncle.
Yes, hi.
Welcome to my channel.
Thank you very much, Dr. Ramhari here.
So can you introduce a little bit about yourself, and then we'll be proceeding towards Long Island.
Yeah, myself, I'm Purushottam Panthi, originally from Nepal, and I was a ex-chemistry lecturer under Tribhuvan University over a decade, and now I'm in the pharmaceutical industry.
Okay.
Yes,
So now we are going towards Long Island.
okay.
There we go.
Yes, let's go to the Long Island. Okay.
So from the given map, we can see the United States and New York on the right corner. So from the right corner in the New York, we can see the Long Island, which is very beautiful. And we are moving from Jamaica to the Long Island. And this is the way. So we can see how the cars are well arranged and are running all around the roads. You can see the birds flying together. Even just stand there.
Yeah, I'm doing in this New York City.
Yeah, I'm doing very good. Thank you, uncle, for bringing us here. And it's really a wonderful place here in the Don's Bridge. We came from New York, and you can see the wave of water and ocean all around here. And it's feel really wonderful. People all around here, like enjoying the sunbath on this beautiful background, and the birds and the wave of the ocean. And we have the ferry and so many. Most important thing is the beautiful view. I'm really enjoying. Thank you so much for your good coordination and bringing up here in the beautiful daytime. Beautiful, guys. There's no words to express this one. You're telling about this place, about this Long Island beach.
Yeah, basically this is the Long Island. We are in the Jones Beach. This is closed. Yeah, this is still the winter. That's why it's closed. Just we came to just walking around this area.
Yeah. So can you tell me about this location?
Location is Long Island. This
Like
is Long Island.
how far it's from New York?
City. It is from New York City. It is like 30 miles east from New York City. And after this Long Island, after there is the ocean. After the ocean, there is you have to go to the either Africa or London.
So from this place we can go like from the ferry to different places, right?
Yes, yeah. From ferry, if you go to the Montauk, and then from the Montauk there is the ferry to Connecticut. Also given to so many things to the America. That's why this country is developed. There's an ocean, also so one of the most resources, right?
Yeah.
So, yeah, look in other places. Basically, in the Long Island, there is a Long Island Railroad. You can travel the Long Island different area by the Long Island Railroad. And also you can drive. This is the two different way to transportation. And yes, this is a very good area, Long Island. Basically, school district is also very good. If you want to raise your children's kids, very nice neighborhood, and good education compared to the New York City.
So beautiful.
Yes. So yeah, this is the nature because our country is landlocked, right? So, yeah, that's why we basically enjoy with this ocean.
So it's really a wonderful time over here in the Long Island Jones Bridge, and I'm really enjoying the weather outside here. It's like not cold even in the month of February. People are taking sunbath. People are really enjoying. So you can see this beautiful walking around the beach.
Yes,
It's a really wonderful experience. We made a lot of TikTok.
yes,
Like on the song of Pathan and
Kala
Kala
Chashma,
Chashma.
Dada Gari Saili, and
Yes.
other song.
Yeah,
Very nice.
like there was one more Nepali song. Kutuma Kutu, Supari Ko Dana.
Yes.
What a beautiful place to sit and enjoy the sunbath. You can see the plane. It's really wonderful. It's moving around here. Mm-hmm.
Might be this way. There is restaurant. Okay. Might be this is the main area, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, people look.
I mean, obviously it's not good.
Open.
Oh, I think it's there. Yeah.
Yeah, I think restaurant.
So this is the main center of this Jones Beach, and you can see here like this. It's really feels very good. See this.